Good morning, boys and girls. So today we're going to continue our lesson on how to tell time. And yesterday we learned that how the minutes work on the clock. So we start at 0 and go in 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. And we also learned that the numbers go in order in terms of the hours. So we start at 12 and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way back up to 12. Okay? So we're going to continue our lesson, and today we're going to need to learn what these two hands stand for. Now, who can just tell me what the major difference is?
One's bigger and one's smaller.
Thank you. One is bigger and one is smaller. So we're going to need to learn what these two stand for. And to learn that, I chose a very, very simple song. Now, who knows the tune of I'm a Little Teapot? Anyone? Yeah, everyone knows it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I found a song that'll help us learn what these two hands stand for. And I'm going to go ahead and sing it first just so we can all get familiar with the tune, and then we'll all sing it together, okay? I'm a smaller hour hand, short and stout. I tell the hour and give a shout. I'm a longer minute hand, big and tall. I tell the minute and that is all. Okay? And for the second time when we sing it together, let's try to make up some motions. So for the first verse, when we say I'm a smaller hour hand, how about we do this? Can everyone do this with me? Okay? And for I'm a longer minute hand, let's reach out as far as we can, all right? Okay, we're going to sing it, and I'll count you off, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a smaller hour hand, short and stout. I tell the hour and give a shout. I'm a longer minute hand, big and tall. I tell the minute and that is all. Very good job. All right, so now I'm going to flip this over.
Oh no. How did it work? Oh, maybe not.
Okay, so we know that the lyrics say, I'm a smaller, does anyone remember?
Minute hand.
Minute hand.
No.
Hour hand, yes.
Hour hand.
Hour hand. I'm a smaller hour hand, short and stout. I tell the hour or minute?
Hour.
Hour. Okay, so it's going to be right here. And I color-coded it so you guys can tell. So the red goes for the hour and the blue goes for the minute. So this is the taller hand. The taller hand stands for?
Minute.
The minute.
Minute.
Okay. Now that we know what the two hands stand for, we're going to learn how to tell time just by the hour alone. And by the hour, I mean 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 10 o'clock, nothing other than that. So we're not learning 10:30, 10:45. We're just going to learn that, and tomorrow and the next few days, we'll go ahead and move on to those. Okay? So today, let's just choose a random time. Let's just say we choose 3 o'clock. So it's on 3 o'clock right now. Just kidding. Choose another
4
time.
o'clock. So 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Thank you. Okay. So when we choose 8 o'clock, we know that the minutes are at 0. And can anyone tell me where that would be facing towards, the minute hand?
12.
12, okay. So it's going to be facing towards here. And then the 3 o'clock will be facing towards the 3. Oh, except we said 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Now, if we wanted to write this out digitally, since we chose our time 8 o'clock, nothing goes here. We would write 8 o'clock, and we'd have the colon, and we write 2 zeros. Okay. Now, if we wanted to choose a time, let's say 10 o'clock. Can anyone tell me which minute, the minute hand, which way it will be facing? Towards which number?
Towards
12.
12 o'clock. That's very good. And we'd have the hour hand, which is the shorter hand. That would be facing towards the 10.
10.
Now, can anyone tell me how we'd write this right here out?
1 0 colon
Olin?
0,
0,
0.
0, 0. Very good. All right. Now, since we're learning just the hours alone, if I wanted to write, let's say, 6 o'clock, I'd have the hour hand pointing down towards the 6. Now, just to make sure that we all understand this, if we wanted to put 6 o'clock, would this minute hand be facing towards the 10?
No.
Would it be facing towards the 4?
No.
Where would it be facing?
12.
The
12.
Very good. All right, so we've all gotten our worksheets. We have 4 empty clocks on here, okay? Now what we're going to be doing with this, I'll be giving you different times by the hour so that you can practice writing them out and drawing them on the clock, all right? So let's just say, let's choose 7 o'clock, okay? Now 7 o'clock, do we want to start with the minute hand or the hour hand? It doesn't matter. Someone can choose.
Hour. Oh.
Hours.
The hour hand? Okay, so we chose 7 o'clock, right? Now which number is it going to be pointing to?
The 7.
The 7, okay. And which hand is it going to be pointing to? This one?
The 11, I think.
No.
No,
the
12.
The 12, because that means 0 minutes.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah.
Thank
Right.
you.
Okay. Now that we've done one together, I'm going to show you.
Did we draw 7 o'clock on our first clock?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
So I'm going to draw this first one
Oh,
with you
okay,
guys,
sorry.
okay? So we're going to draw a bigger arrow towards the 12, and then we'll draw a shorter arrow towards the 7. Okay? Did everyone get that?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Now what we're going to do is I want you to do one on your own. Let's choose 2 o'clock. Everyone draw out 2 o'clock.
Okay.
We can start with the minute or the hour hand.
Yes.
You should sing the song. It'll help you remember.
We're doing 2 o'clock.
Yes, 2 o'clock. We're doing 2 o'clock. Okay? Thumbs up if everyone's done. All right. I see thumbs up from everyone. Let's move on. Now I want you to turn towards a partner. And we have an uneven number, so we can just do a group of 3 right here, a group of 2, and group of 2 back there. Okay? So I want you to turn to your partner. Now choose one person that will go first. One person will choose a time for the other person, okay? And that second person will be drawing out the time and writing out the time as well. So we chose 7 o'clock for this, so to write it out, it would be, okay? Everyone got it? And
Got
then
it.
switch when we're done, okay?
Okay.
3 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
2:45.
We're not learning that today, Emily.
Oops, I just did the time that I gave you.
What if our arrows don't look very nice?
That's okay if your arrows
9 o'clock.
look that great. Just make sure that they're pointing
5
as straight as
o'clock?
they can towards the number. Now if you forget,
12
just
o'clock.
remember the
11
song.
o'clock.
I'm a smaller hour hand, short and stout. I tell the hour and give a shout. I'm a longer minute hand, big and tall. I tell the minute and that is all. Okay, now let me get a thumbs up from everyone once you're all finished.
Did you do 12 o'clock? You didn't do it yet.
We'll be closing up, so can anyone tell me? Let's have a raise of hands. Can someone tell me which hand will be for the minute, the taller or the shorter one? Kisa?
The tall one.
The taller one. And who can tell me which hand is for the shorter one? Anastasia?
The hour.
The hour. Okay, so we have that for the hour. Perfect. Now for your homework, you'll each be getting a sheet that looks like this, and on it we'll have several different times by the hour, and you'll have to draw them on the clock and write them out, okay? That's beautiful.
Good job.
Very nice.
Somebody else?